In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Davinci Resolve 17. So what you'll need to do is simply go and open a browser and go to the URL section and just type download Davinci Resolve 17. So Resolve 17. Hit the enter button and you can just go here and click on the first link. So as you can see right here, you'll be able, Davinci Resolve public beta is available. You can just go and click on download now from the website. So once you click on it as an example, you'll be taken here. And as you can see right here, you'll find example Davinci Resolve 20 manual, Davinci Resolve 20. But for us, we don't want 20. We want an example because those are the latest downloads. So if you keep scrolling down right here, as you can see, you'll find multiple versions. So we will have to keep scrolling down until we find Davinci 17. So, or we can, as an example, let me see if that will work. So I'm just going to type Davinci Resolve 17. So, okay, we have like a lot of results. So I need 17, no points, anything. So let me just go at the top and see. So, okay, 0.0 as an example. Why not? 0.0, it does not exist. So let's just go here and keep scrolling down. I wanted to like, don't keep scrolling here and do it automatically. So here we are. Here is it. We find it. No, yeah. Not this one. Here we are. So here is it. Davinci Resolve Studio. And if we go above, we'll find Davinci Resolve 17 right away. So you'll find here Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. Of course, for us, we'll download like the Windows version. So just go and click on Windows right here. You'll have basically to fill up some informations starting from your first name as an example, last name as an example, and company. You don't have to email. You have to fill it up as an example. And then you'll have to fill up the phone as an example. Sorry. And then the country example. So I'll make sure to do so. Street. So I'm just going to do so. City as well, and then the states, and here the zip code. Those are the necessary options. The one that has the star right here for product information, of course, is going to be Davinci Resolve. So then click on register and download. So as you can see, thanks. If your download doesn't automatically start, just go and click on here. But as you can see, it started, so I can just go and click on save. So once I click on save, the download will start. As you can see, it's 2.3 gigabytes, so we'll have to wait for it until it's downloaded. So once it is downloaded, you will have to go and run the .exe file on the zip folder. Of course, make sure to extract it first of all, and then you will find the .exe file. Just double click on it and it will start the installer. So the installer then will download Davinci Resolve 17 right away. So you should find an example .exe file like this. Just double click on it and it will start downloading or installing right away. Of course, if you're on Mac, you'll find .dmg instead. And yeah, you'll have to follow the instructions or the installation steps, accept the terms, choose the install location, wait for the setup to finish, and you'll be able to launch the software and start using it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.